Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of I
Wonder
Wednesdays. Today we're going to talk more about contact lenses. We didn't talk last time about how to properly care for contact lenses. We also didn't talk about why you need a prescription for contact lenses. Caring for contact lenses, I wear rigid contact lenses, so that's a whole different story. Not too many people wear rigid contact lenses. Basically, I use a soap to clean the contact lens, then I rinse off the soap, and then I use a conditioning solution because there's bacteria in tap water. You can get very serious eye infections if you have tap water on your eye. I had a patient that had rigid contact lenses. She was using tap water to clean her contact lenses and store her contact lenses. She got an acanthamoeba infection and her eye had to be removed. So don't do that. That's the main purpose of not doing, water on your contact lenses. Soft contact lenses, my favorite is hydrogen peroxide solution because it cleans them better and it's preservative free, but you got to go through a whole process to get that to work. Yes, exactly right. So,
There's a couple of things with contact lenses besides just the solutions and the cleaning of them that's important. First of all, the reason you need a prescription is because it's not like it is kind of like a pair of pants. If you go to the store to you buy jeans, you know what size you wear, right? Let's say you try on this brand of jeans and it's a size small, and this size of jeans, or this brand is a size small. They fit differently, right? So with a contact lens, there are certain measurements in that contact lens that we as doctors know should fit a certain way. But just because they say they're going to fit that way doesn't mean they fit that way. And so we do some evaluation of the cornea, which is the part of the eye that the contact lens sits on. We then put the contact on, watch how it moves on the eye under a microscope to be sure that you're not going to cause problems by wearing a contact lens that's too tight, which can cause blisters on your eye, and those hurt a lot, or too loose, and it can cause irritation and they just never see clearly. So those are the reasons that you have to have a prescription and why you shouldn't be buying them off of TikTok or Facebook or Amazon or wherever. They do require a prescription for that purpose. And the prescription's not the same in a pair of contacts as it is in a pair of glasses. Because that contact lens sits on your eye, there's some math that goes into it. Yes, you need math in life. I know you don't want to, but you have to use math. So that's what we do. I wear soft contact lenses under my glasses. And soft contact lenses require a little bit different care. Dr. Hausman mentioned the hydrogen peroxide cleaner. The commercially available product is called Clear Care, and it does require some steps to follow, or you can burn your eye with it, so be careful. Yep. Many of the contact lens solutions for soft lenses are multi-purpose, meaning you can clean them, store them, put them in your eye. Some of the major brands are like Optifree or Renew. Those are the two big commercially available ones. Mm-hmm. So make sure you follow the instructions on the box. They're there for a reason. The other thing I tell patients, and this is hysterical because I learned this in college from my colleague, Dr. Sharon Green in Lawrence. She told college kids, you treat your contacts like you treat your underwear. You don't lick them. You don't share them with your friends, and you wash them before you wear them the next time because it's kind of gross if you don't. Right? And if they get sketchy, you throw them away. Right?
Absolutely. That is great.
So what happens if we want to not have to clean our contacts? What should we be wearing?
You're going to want to wear daily contact lenses. Dailies are the best. The reason why they are, it's a brand new, perfectly clean contact lens every single day. So it's the healthiest contact lens option. It's the most comfortable contact lens option. Has the best technology. When we were talking about a multifocal contact lens, the best technology for that is in a daily contact lens. Brand new, perfectly clean, super comfortable contact lens every single morning right there. So
it's also there are a couple of them that are very good for dry eye. And so patients, that's the other problem, is when you have dry eye, it makes contact lens wear a little bit more challenging. But the new technology in these daily disposable contact lenses do better with patients who have the dry eye. So that's another option. In fact, interestingly, our practice is one of the biggest market shares of daily disposable contacts for the region. Part of that is because of some of the work that's done. So farmers and cattle workers, you're around some really crazy stuff, and you really want to be sure you're getting rid of that at the end of every day. So we do have quite a few of our patients in daily disposables just for health reasons, if nothing else.
Also allergies. You know, if you have a monthly contact lens, every single day throughout the month, more allergens are building up on the surface of that contact lens every single day, and it gets worse and worse and worse. Daily contact lens, you don't have to worry about that. Brand new, perfectly clean, fresh contact lens every morning.
And they're great for teenagers. I don't know about you, but my teenagers don't clean their rooms, so I'm a little bit worried about teenagers cleaning their contacts.
Yeah.
So daily disposables are great for first-time wearers because it takes that that part of contact lens wear out of the equation. We just have to teach them how to wear them and to throw them away rather than cleaning and caring for them. And the parents don't have to worry so much about getting pretty terrible eye infections.
Right.
And on that note, if you wear contact lenses and you get an eye infection, please, please, please see your eye doctor. Do not go to the emergency room. They're great for certain things, but not eyeballs. So if you have a problem like that, please see your optometrist. We do have somebody on call at our office.
Right.
Did you know
All the
that?
time. Yeah. And also, first thing too is to take out your contact lenses. If you have any sort of problem when you're wearing contact lenses, take out your contact lenses and call us right away. Anytime, day or night, weekends after 5, call the same number for Garden City Optometrist and we'll help you out right there.
There's a doctor on call that you push the button it tells you to, and they'll get you in contact with whoever's on call that week.
Yeah. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Leave the comments below. Like us.
On Facebook,
Yeah.
Instagram, and YouTube. Have a great day.
Yeah, thanks for watching.